First video is the right in the beginning of the China, America, Philippines. Start to the World War III. Mamamatay tayo lahat, understand? Because you are never stopped to discriminate our Pacific and our wars. You're always a scandal. You're over long. You don't about the exposes because the word our country is damaged. All Hispanic, Philippines, at marami ka naman dinadamay Philippines na bansa para kampihan ka. Kahit anong gawin mo niknik at dadaldal dyan, pagdating sa Christ, you're reject. Wala na magtatanggol sa inyo, kaya, sa totoo lang, mas papanigan ko ang China kasi pinagtutulungan nyo. Alam ko ng reason talagang talunan kaya fake. Kaya China, tapusin mo mga yan. Nasa atin ang huling halakak. Good luck. Your better to misbelieve is abandon my life and crap you. Go to hell. President China, this is the final to World War III in the Philippines in America. This is over to me. Understanding your Philippines belong to me and make happen the person. In America, your country is our lost person. This is rated online chain. This is final war in Philippine Sea in China Sea. I don't care for our nation because you are one on war. This is Filipino always bullshit. Marami siyang ginagamit na bansa para lang ma-destroy ang China. You know something, this is very not right, and democracy war is evil from you. The mistakes believe the others countries is going to hell. Thank you.